All right, this is called the New Step. This is a great piece of machinery if you're trying to do either some cardio or, thanks to its active resistance, you could also do some resistance training on here. This will be great for both upper body and lower body, and is also able to just do lower body if you're unable to use your upper body. Starting with the seat, there's two main handles that will adjust the seat. The first one is the one behind. If you pull up on this handle, you can swivel it either right or left to help you get into the seat properly. And then once you're seated, you can pull on the handle in the front to adjust your forward and backwards movement on the seat. Once you're seated, there's two main adjustments. The first is for your hands. By lifting this blue latch right here, you can move this handle forward or back depending on how long your arms are, as well as tightening this latch right here to make it fit better against your shoes. And then you will just simply push and pull in order to get the machine moving. Make sure to grab both handles, extend your knees, and pull back your arm simultaneously, back and forth. And if you're unable to use your hands, make sure that they're resting right on the side on the armrests. Make sure to stay seated the entire time and keep your lower and upper back against the rest. And as you can see, she's sitting perfectly in the center. She's keeping her lower back supported with the seat. She's going to grab each handle. She's going to push with either her legs or her arms. And as you can see, her knees are fully extending, her elbows are fully extending, and she's doing it perfectly. And you can also up the resistance using the arrows on the top and bottom to make it harder or easier for your needs.